Welcome to a video tutorial on how to open up and use Google Classroom to get your homework, complete it, and turn it in. This is a great feature to help you learn, but also to help you meet your goals of completing as many credits as you can and work your way towards graduation. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to open up our browser. I use Google Chrome, which tends to work, I think, better with the Google suite that we're using, which is Google Classroom, Google Drive, and Gmail. So I'm going to switch over to a student account here so that you can see what it would look like from your side. I am using a Mac, and it might be different look for depending on what you're using. So what we're going to do is send you a Gmail address and password. We'll text that to you somehow so that you can open up your Gmail. If you don't have Gmail, you can find it on the web. If you already have a Gmail, you need to make sure that you're signed in with your school account. When you do, you'll see a list of emails that you've received, and one of them will look like this, where it says Class Invitation, Simmons Charter School, LLAC. So click on that, and when you do, you'll see in your Gmail this email. You're not in Google Classroom yet. It's just the invitation. Then you can go to Join, and it'll have you go to the screen where you can join. Now, I've signed in as myself and as a student, so it tends to bounce around a little bit. This is what you should see as you've been signed into Google Classroom. And you'll see that there's only one class here. It'll be up on your left, and if you click onto it, it'll open up. Now you have a few things. Your stream, this will just be the constant list of things that are being sent to, homework that's sent to you. This will be the classwork. You can track your progress, and the people. Now here's the way you can email Mr. Homan or I, as well as other classmates, though anything that you put down there is recorded, so please be appropriate. With your classwork, you'll see here there's only one homework assignment listed. If you click on that homework assignment, it'll have a message. This could be important stuff. It might be, specific requirements about that particular packet, or certain page numbers to do. The actual assignment is down here where it says View Assignment. You click onto here, and you'll see again the notes, and over here your work. This is what's assigned. This is where you could add a different file or a picture if you wanted to. That's not necessary, but it's there if you wanted to. And when you're completely done, you turn it in here. But that's not until now. Right now you'll just click here, and it opens it up. Now you can see your homework packet. However, if I go to click here where it says student name, you're not able to type onto it. And that's where you want to see here where this blue part, sometimes it goes away and you scroll down, it'll open up. It says Open with Kami. This is an app that's loaded with your Google Classroom by our school. If you click on it, it'll open it in Google Drive, and it might even ask you, is it okay to open this in Google Drive, which you should write yes. Now I can see my homework assignment, and if I click here, it gives a text box, so that means I didn't click in the box exactly right. Now when I click in it, I can type my name. Here I could type something too, but it's all kind of goofy there. So you want to click in boxes. If you look down, you can scroll like, okay, here's a box. No, I missed it again. So I can click on this box, and I can put in an answer here. And then I can scroll down and find other boxes and just take a little bit to click in the boxes appropriately. And this way you could do all your math homework or whatever homework you have. When you're done, you can hear it says save or turn in. Save is the old-fashioned floppy disks. And it'll give you the option to save now with the cloud and the arrow, or turn it in. Since we have not finished it, I'll just click save now. Might take a little while. If you are done, you can click turn in and it will be completely turned in. I'm going to wait a little bit so you can see what it looks like when it's saved. It is kind of a big file, so sometimes this takes a little while. You just need to be patient. If you have any questions, please let me or Mr. Homan know. And if you need more homework, you can contact us by phone or text. And I'm going to click turn in, see what it looks like here. So that's saved and saving, and this is when you're done. Turned it in, and it's saving it to Google Drive. You see the lines going across here, loading, and then it is loaded up and it is turned in. If you have second thoughts, you can click here to unsubmit it, or just go to done and go back to your Google Classroom and see what other homework you might have. So there you go, how to use and turn in homework on Google Classroom. Hope that helps out. Thanks.